Hey, welcome to this video. In a previous video I worked on this, a wooden version of a shakuhachi that kind of plays but not that great. Anyway, recently I found out about the predecessor to the shakuhachi, which is called a hitoyogiri shakuhachi. So, shakuhachi means one shaku, which is the old unit of measurement. One shaku and 8 sun, which is like inches, kind of, I guess. So the shaku is kind of like a foot, and sun is kind of like inches. Well, this short version is also called shakuhachi because it's one shaku, like 1 foot kind of, and then 8 bu, like B-U, and those are sort of like a 1/10 of an inch, kind of. Anyway, it's just the old Japanese measurement system, and that's how long that predecessor to the shakuhachi was, and which is about 33 centimeters. And I wanted to make one, but I don't easily have the materials, like some PVC or something. So I'm going to try something that I've been wanting to try to learn to do for a while, which is make a flute out of either paper or cardboard or cardstock. So I'm going to use this cereal box, and I have 2 different ideas for how to try it. So from working on this, I learned that having a varnish on the inside really helped help me produce a sound. So one method is I'm going to try to cover it with tape, like packing tape, and then the other method is I'm just going to cover it with the same varnish that I used on this, and I'll see if it even makes a sound at all, but it'll be a fun experiment, considering, I just love using like recycled materials and stuff that would have gotten thrown away. It's just so fun, especially if I can make it work. In any case, we'll just have to see, so stay tuned. Oh. Okay. Well, it doesn't have any holes. It's not twisted very tightly, but the way that you play a flute called the Ney, N-E-Y. I have a video about that on my channel. It's called check out my Ney, or I don't know, something. Anyway, this is enough of an edge that if I blow the way that you play a Ney, which is like this, then I'm able to get a note. So that's cool. I don't know, I might have to shape it better to do a works. It's a little harder because this needs to be a little bit lower. I'm not sure how it'll work putting holes because of those those layers aren't tight, but I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, I'm actually like so happy that it made noise. So I think I'm gonna put the holes along this side because it seems to be a little bit tighter there. There is gonna be a thumb hole, so there's no avoiding those spaces, but we'll just, I guess I realized I could maybe just cut a bigger hole through the outer layers and then have the main hole be through this part. Okay, so this is a sheet that tells me the measurements for this flute I'm trying to model it after, and I'm going to go ahead and mark them on and then cut the holes. Each of these holes is supposed to be roughly 8 millimeters across, so I'm going to try to cut a hole roughly that size. It works! There's all the holes in the front. Now just the one in the back. Okay, so I had to like hack through the back layers to make this thumb hole work. The front holes work okay, even though they're not perfect. But I tried to make it more comfortable so I could play it like this. But so far I can't get a sound that way. But I can get a sound this way. So anyway, I just like can't believe it works at all. Pretty happy about that. I should have just left this as it. Well, actually, what I mean to say is, I wish I would have made this edge easier to play this way, so that the holes were lined up, so I could just play it this way rather than trying to make it play this way. I might try to cut this part here, because if you're making a normal flute that you play like this, you usually put like a cut right there. I might try that. I'm gonna try that actually, and see if it helps, but it'll probably mess it up. So I won't be able to play it this way, but if I like turn it this way, anyway, the first try works. I'm pretty excited about that. Anyway, I'm going to cut that and show you if it worked or not. So I removed more material from back here, and then I cut this kind of like notch that you make in a normal shakuhachi, and then I put tape over it to try to make that edge as sharp as possible. And let's see if I got it to work a second ago. Let me see if I can get it to go again. I don't know, that top hole wouldn't work for some reason. Pretty fun. I can't believe it worked. Just packing tape and a cereal box.